Hello everyone, today I will share you a video about the CG100X, how to operate the Volkswagen MQB dashboard. Here we enter into the software dashboard and found the European and the Volkswagen MQB, and I have checked this dashboard. The chip inside is 1407 and no forget it only supports 5A dashboard. We click next. Here is the precautions, and we need to know which adapters we use. The Pro adapter and D1 adapter and our 5A and 5.3. How to check your dashboard is 5A or 5.3, and here is the diagram how to open the dashboard. I will show you later, and this is the diagram. I have connected it before, and now let us operate. Here this is the dashboard. Part number 5NG920065000. This is the part number. What it looks like here. Okay. Then our CG100X tires, and this is our D1 adapter. It is small compared with the CG100X. It is so small. This one, but is important for the MQB. And the next is we need this adapter. This adapter with this cable too. It's one cable. Here. First step, we need to light up the dashboard to check what is the original mileage. Here, with this adapter. Connect it, and this place. This one. Follow this pin to connect it. We need 4 cables: can high, can low, and power and ground. And it has the number inside. Here, inside this place, it writes the numbers. In 1 is power. Here we connect the power. In 10 is ground. We connect ground. And the can high and can low. It is 18 and 17. Shanghai. The canal. Yeah. This only 4 cardboards. Follow this one. Our dashboard. And then we connect our CG100X top. First the power. First connect the power. Then the USB cable. Then we connect it together. Okay. And yeah, I zoom in it. Ready go. Dashboard, European, and Volkswagen MQB, and this one. Here, we start operation. Okay, there's no reply because we not connect the diagram. We only need to light up the instrument now. We click here. We click this place. 12 power on. And here you can check. It has noise, and the dashboard has on. The mileage is 66666. Oh, seems I touched the cardboard. Here. Let me off it first. It should be the cardboard. I connect not good. This place. Okay, we have the original. Remove the adapter. We have the original mileage, and we need to open the shell. Yeah, this place we need to open it. Actually, I have opened it many times. This dashboard. This seems not clear. This is the information. Okay, remove it. This is the board. How it looks like. And this is the chip, the main chip. Seems the camera not clearly. This is the main chip, and it is 1407. And this place is to check your dashboard is 5A or 5C. We back to this page. You can check 5A and 5C. This is the chip. This place chip. But same situation. The camera is not clear. This place. Okay, then we remove it. Because we bought this dashboard, so I made it rude. But if it is your customer, you need to take it carefully. Actually, cannot touch the screen by your hand. It is very, very bad operation. Okay, I have removed it all. Open it. My operation is totally wrong. Just I want to show you how to use it. Use the tool, not to operation like this. It is maybe damages the dashboard. I made it very, very rude, and I touch the screen with my finger. Here. This is the D1 adapter and the Pro adapter. We have connected it all. You can check. And then we connect our Pro adapter. For save time, I have connected it before. Here. This is the connection, and this is the diagram how to connection. Okay. Then we click start operation. Then the follow step is easy. You only need to wait it operation. Then write the number you want to change. Write the correct margin number you want to change. Maybe I will change it to 5,000 kilometer. Here, the chip is encrypted, attempting to decrypt. Here, this is what D1 adapter to do. And when you do MQB dashboard, any problem, direct contact our tech support. Okay, we have read out the data, and this is the original dashboard data. We must save it. We must back up the original data. Here, this will connect to the server to getting the kilometers, to get the mileage. So you need to make sure your internet is good, and our current value is same as the original dashboard shows. Then we change it to 5,000. Okay. Click OK. then it will write the file back. Still need to wait 3 minutes maybe. We have the time here. You can check how long time we have used to reading out the data and how long time we use to write the data in. Here, this is the data. Okay, merge modification is complete. We click OK, back, and we disconnect the cable. We disconnect the cable and light up the dashboard to check if the merge changed. We check it again. Disconnect it. Remove the power and remove the adapter. Put it back. Still the same word. You cannot operation like this. It is very rude and it may damage the dashboard. I have paid for the dashboard, so I can do what I want. Still, there are 4 cables: can high, can low, and power and ground. Here, the 4 cables. And we connect our CG100X and the adapter. Connect it together and the power to the top. Then we start operate. Here, this dashboard. Let us. Here, there's no reply. We click 12 voltage on. Yeah. Okay, it have been done. The kilometer is 40,000 now. And after we have finished all our operation, you need to remove all the cables and put the dashboard to the original state. Means you need to put this in and the here send it back and such things. Okay, that is all videos. Thanks for your watching.